everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. I hope everybody's having a great day. I have a unboxing. Can anybody guess the box? These are pretty standard boxes, so make sure you leave your comments below and any requests. This is a Pandora unboxing. Some surprises from my husband Ted. He said, go ahead and for my love gift to you to go ahead and order some charms that you like to finish off your pendant. So I said, are you sure? He said, definitely order some. I said, okay, no problem. I'll go ahead and do that. So that's what the unboxing is for today. And if you'd be so kind as subscribe to my channel, once I hit 500, I'm going to be doing a great giveaway. You definitely don't want to miss out. Please ring the bell, like all the videos that you enjoy, and a thumbs up is always greatly appreciated. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Got my blade. Yeah, they still just throw the box on the porch. That's funny, when the UPS driver comes, he just pitches it right on the porch. He does a good job. Okay, got in. Alright, it says Pandora. Got pink tissue paper. This works out pretty good for like wrapping gifts or whatever, so I saved those. Alright, they come with little pouches that say Pandora. If you've never seen Pandora packaging, that's a Pandora box. And it has a little ribbon there. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox a little charm. Alright, the first one is a purple bloom. It's pretty cool. It's part of the Bloom collection. You can see that or not. Yeah, that's pretty good. These little charms are really super hard to see. So I'll leave a picture on Instagram, so definitely check it out. I'm Susan Senior Style there. I post every single day, so make sure you follow me on Instagram. And I did order a really cool small silver pendant loop, and it has little crystals. So then I can interchange the charms with the necklace. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And number 3, let's check that out. These little pouches are pretty cool too. I got a amulet amethyst in silver. Yeah, there we go. Let's see if we can see it. Sometimes you have to focus like off your face, and that seems to help. Yeah, that's a little bit better. You kind of get the idea. Alright, so I'll leave the pictures on Instagram so you can check that out. And that's my unboxing from Pandora today. Pretty short and sweet, but keep those requests coming. I really do appreciate it. I love all the comments, all the kind words. My husband loves any comments on his new shirts that I got for him, along with his Disney items. So definitely leave a comment for Ted. He appreciates that. And watch out for my next Disney haul. That's coming up probably next week. I'm not really sure. It depends on if they get stuck in customs or you never see them again. So look forward to that. So until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys, and stay safe. Bye now.